Join me as I dive into the Rule of 72 and challenge myself to see if I can truly master this powerful investment strategy. The Rule of 72 is a simple yet powerful tool that helps you understand how your investments can grow over time. It's a formula that estimates how long it'll take for your investment to double in value. This is crucial in financial planning because it gives you a clear picture of your investment's potential growth. Many of us struggle with estimating how long it'll take for our investments to double. We often wonder if we're making the right investment choices or if we're being too impatient. The truth is, it's hard to predict exactly how long it'll take for our investments to grow. We might rely on guesswork or rough estimates, which can be unreliable. And that's where the Rule of 72 comes in, to help us make more informed decisions. People often find themselves lost in the world of investments, unsure of where to start or how to track their progress. The Rule of 72 can be a game changer in this sense. It's not a guarantee, but it provides a solid guideline to work with. By using this rule, you can get a better sense of your investment's potential and make more informed decisions. Another common challenge is the lack of understanding of compound interest. So, how does the Rule of 72 work? It's quite simple, really. You take the number 72 and divide it by your expected annual rate of return. The result is approximately how many years it'll take for your investment to double. For example, if you expect a 6% annual rate of return, you would divide 72 by 6, which gives you 12. This means it'll take approximately 12 years for your investment to double. Let's consider another example. If you invest $1,000 with an expected annual rate of return of 8%, using the Rule of 72, you can estimate that it'll take around 9 years for your investment to grow to $2,000. The Rule of 72 works with other areas of finance too, like inflation. It can help you understand how inflation affects your purchasing power over time. The Rule of 72 can have a significant impact on your financial decisions. By understanding how your investments can grow, you can set more realistic goals and make more informed choices. It can also help you compare different investment options and choose the one that's right for you. One of the most important insights is that even small changes in your rate of return can have a significant impact on your investment's growth over time. This means that it's essential to be patient and not get discouraged by short-term market fluctuations. The Rule of 72 can also help you understand the power of consistent investing. By investing regularly, you can take advantage of compound interest and watch your investments grow over time. In conclusion, the Rule of 72 is a powerful tool that can help you understand your investments and make more informed financial decisions. It's not a magic formula, but it's a guideline that can give you a clear picture of your investment's potential growth. If you've had any experiences with investment growth, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more financial tips and strategies to help you master your finances.